In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on your Duolingo account. Having friends on your language learning journey can be a wonderful way to stay motivated, share your progress, and maybe even spark a friendly competition to see who can earn the most XP in a week. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Duolingo app on your device. Take a moment to ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, find yourself on the main screen. You're probably looking at your courses. Don't worry, we're in the right place. Next, look for a tab or button often labeled as Friends or Social. On some devices, it might appear on the home page, typically near the bottom or possibly tucked away in a menu. Give that a tap. Now, on to finding those friends. You should find a search bar invitingly awaiting your request. This is where the magic happens. You just need the username or email of the person you're looking to add. If you have this information handy, type it into the search field. Hit enter or the little magnifying glass icon to perform your search. Hopefully, this will take you to a page where matching users are listed. You should see your friend's profile show up. If you do, take a moment to verify it's the right person by looking at the profile picture or any other identifying information they've made public, like the language they're learning. Once you're sure it's them, look for an Add Friend button or similar option right next to their profile. Tap that button, and voila! You've sent a friend request. Now, if that was a piece of cake, let's talk about a few tips for keeping your friends engaged. You can use your Duolingo home screen to keep track of their progress. Sometimes, saying a simple "great job" when you notice they've reached a milestone can mean a lot. Not only does it encourage them, but it can also fuel your enthusiasm to strive harder. Additionally, if you find you're being bombarded with too many notifications about your friend's progress, Duolingo gives you control over these settings. Look into the settings menu in the app and customize your notifications to suit your preferences, ensuring you stay focused on your own learning just as much as you celebrate theirs. And there you have it, a seamless process to add a friendly face or a few on Duolingo. Having a community while learning a new language can remarkably enhance your experience, leading not just to increased learning but also to a bundle of fun along the way. Enjoy making those connections and happy learning.